Welcome guys, this is King Projects bringing you another video here. This one is going to be how to make your own intro and outro for your YouTube channel. What I use is panzoid.com. I'm going to put a link below. So it's pretty simple. You pick a template that you want. You come here, you see it. If you like it, I just picked any random one. So this is how you do it. You watch it, you like it, you see the graphics, whatever. Then you come and put, okay, whatever. Then you go right here to this box right here. This is to edit. Then you're going to look for the one that says text. Text, right? You scroll down, blah, 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 text. You will delete whatever text they have at the moment, and you will put your channel's name here. I'm going to just put mine real quick. It's King, and I have to do it 3 times here. It's 3 different texts. So 3 different times you have to write it. Not all of them are going to be 3. Some of them just 1 time, some of them 2 times. It all depends on the template that you pick. But this is the most simplest. Sorry about that, guys. Let me just shut that off. Nice, nice. All right, so this is the most simplest way you can do it. Once it's done editing, let me just finish this real quick here. All right, you can check it one more time, see if it's going to work with your name. Some template do not work with all names. This is a great example right here. I try to do it with my name, but because of the picture of the character in front, you can't hardly see all of my name. It's broken up a little bit. You can go into a little bit more details. You can play around with it. So I can move the name a little bit to the right, make it show up. You can do this if you really like the template. I can make another video of how to do that, but real quick I'm going to just show you a little glimpse. Here you can go to the positions of the names, but you have to change all 3 of the names that you want. Say just move it a little bit here. Great, this is good right here. All right, so you replay it again, see if it does move a little bit to the right, so see if it shows up better now. If you need to move it even more to the right, just put where it says the position that I was marking it, change it a little bit more, put a higher number. It does, you see now, you can see a little bit of the P. But again, you are going to cut from one side, moving it to another one. It might, like I said, it might be too big for this template. You're going to cut the end of it. Trying to see the beginning, you're going to cut the end. So like I said, you got to play around with these templates, pick the one that you really like, and then go from there. Now, let's just go real quick to the outro. Pick the ones that have the little box here that says, they even say outro on them. There's a whole bunch of them that you could pick. You can pick any random one. I'm just going to pick this one right here just to get this started right now. This is the most simplest one you can find out there. But yeah, you go the same thing you did with your intro. You go right back. You won't see anything. The only thing you was just listen to the song if you like it, or the little beat they have. There's no movement on these. So some of them do have movement, but you won't see it in the editing process. You will see it when it's done. So right here, you just change the name again to whatever your channel name is. And this is going to be again for your outro. Then from here, you can see it. You can play it again if you want. Like again, it's not going to be a lot of movement in the editing process. Just let's go straight to download. You can leave it just like it is, balance, MKV, and just click download. It takes a few minutes here to download. I'm just going to go and skip ahead here so you guys don't need to. But at the same time, I am going to go to Google. Just buy some time here. Go to Google. You can go to MK, I think it's B or Z. Convert to MP4. As soon as you do that, you can just update it. Let's go to online for free. And then you can pick any one here. It doesn't really matter. They all do the same thing. They just convert it for free. I won't recommend this one, but you can just try if you want. Let me go back to see if I can find the one I always use. Yeah, it has to be this one right here. Okay, great. This one. Then here, when your video is done downloading, where is it? Right. So as soon as it's downloaded, this is the website you go to. As soon as it's downloading, there you go. As soon as it's done downloading, you go back and just convert it to MP4. So like that, you guys can use it. It won't be a problem. It will be awesome like that. All right, let me see what else here I can show you guys. You know what? I'm gonna just skip this real quick. All right, guys, it's done downloading. So again, you can go to this website right here. You choose the file that you want. It's also gonna take a few minutes. Don't refresh it. Just leave it. It's gonna go upload. It's gonna go be converting. As soon as it's done, it's just gonna show download file, and it will show you right away. Like you can just play it on your, like I said, computer, or you can just put it on your video when you are done editing. You know what? I already showed you the intro on my channel. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the outro of my channel. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you have an easier way, don't let it, just comment below. If you like the video, press like, subscribe for more. We're coming every week with a video of everything different. It's just, we're going to be doing a lot of makeup stuff, a lot of makeup, not beauty. I would say more like zombie, mask, cuts, blood. We already had a blood video. We had clay a long time ago. We had black ink video in this channel years ago. I'm back. I'm here to stay, and I'm going to show you a lot more stuff that you guys can do. Let me know if you like it. Like I said, like it, thumbs up the video. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Have a great day.